Hello, today we are at Orangeville Drive Test Center. We are going to go to Orangeville G2 Test Route. They have four separate routes here. I'm going to show you all the four routes one by one. After watching my video, if you have still any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go! Let's go Orangeville G2 Test Route number 3. You have to park your car here in the parking lot. Look around. Anyone coming? Yeah, no one is coming. We'll put in drive. Look around. Anyone here? Put the right indicator. Check back around and then go straight. Keep your car on the right side. See, cars are coming from the opposite side also. Keep on the right side. Sometimes some pedestrians are walking around here. Look for them too. Look around. Anyone coming anywhere? Everything is clear, everything is good. Yeah, look around. Look around, anyone coming? Yeah, there's one driver. Key check on there also. On the next stop sign, we will take a left signal, and then we have to go and stop before the crosswalk here. Completely stop the car before the crosswalk. And go further ahead. Check anyone coming anywhere. Yeah, one car is coming. Yes, one car is coming here too. A couple of the car coming from the left side. Wait for all of them. Never rush. Don't run here. Look around. Everything is clear. Everything is coming. No one is coming in our way. Look, look. Yeah, two cars are there. Yeah, now we can take a left here. Mirror signal blind spots. Check and take a left. On the 4th Avenue, speed limit is 40 here. Don't exceed speed limit. On the 4th Avenue, speed limit is 40 here. We will take a left from the next stop sign. There's always stop sign. You have to stop here before the crosswalk. That's called 3rd Street. In route number 1 and 2, we went to the right side. Route number 3 and 4, we are going to go to the left side. We'll take a left here and just like this. Okay, speed limit is 40 here. On the 3rd Street, don't exceed speed limit. Speed limit is 40 here. Look around, look, everything is clear. No one is coming in our way. Just look around, everything is clear, good. Check, keep on checking all the driveway, follow the speed limit. Don't exceed the speed limit here. From this stop sign, sometimes they take a right, sometimes they take a left, right? And the route number 4, we will go left from this stop sign. Now we are going to go straight only here. Complete stop. Look around, everything is good. Go straight. We'll take a right from the first street. We will take a right here. First street here. It's called First Avenue. We will take a right here. First Avenue. We will take a right. And sometimes in these streets they ask this parallel parking, 3-point turn, uphill and downhill. For that you can watch my another video, how to do the parallel parking with the car, with the cone, how to do 3-point turns. You can watch my another videos also. I'm not going to teach you here right now. We'll take a left from this stop sign. See what is written there on the stop sign. It's written there two-way. Two-way meaning is you have stop sign, other side of stop sign. Like we stop here completely and see one car is coming behind that. Yeah. These middle people, they don't have stop sign. They will not stop. We have to watch. Look for the cars. Yeah, one more car is coming from the left side. And yeah, we have to watch for all of them. They don't have stop sign. Yeah, look around. Look around, everything is clear now. I can turn left here. Be careful about these two-way stop signs. So many people get failed because of two-way stop sign. And we will take a left here on this traffic light on the Broadway. It's called Broadway. We will take a left here. On the Broadway, speed limit is 50 here. To stop at the white line, complete stop. And this light sometimes take a long time. Just make sure you have it keep the patience all the time. Keep both hands on the steering all the time. Look around, check everything is clear. Yeah, check back mirror, everything is good. keep on checking. Keep both hands on the steering. Mr. Broadway, we will take a left here. Mirror signal blind spot. We will take a left. Speed limit is 50 on the Broadway. See here, like only one lane here, and sometimes like after this one, the speed limit is 50 here. Sometimes people they go fast on the 50 speed limit here. Make sure you don't exceed the speed limit. See, one lane become a two lane, come to the right lane automatically. For that example, I want to tell you, where signal blind spot, change it to right. Speed limit is 50 here. Then the examiner is going to tell you take a left from the next traffic light. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. We'll take a left on the first traffic light. Light turn to red. It's called Sherbourne Street. Light is red now. We'll stop here. Sherbourne Street speed limit is 40 there on the Sherbourne Street. On the Broadway speed limit is 50, and on the Sherbourne Street speed limit is 40. When you're standing on the intersection, keep on checking around. Keep on checking the cars, lights, everything. Look back, look on the side, who's going to come in their way. Like when the light turn to green, these front cars are going to come in our way. So we have to go in the middle and wait for them. Yeah, light is green now. I can go in the middle, wait for the cars. See anyone coming? No one coming? We can take left here. That's good. Yeah, let's take left here and see the speed limit is 40 here. On the Sherbourne Street, speed limit is 40 here. Check all the driveways, do all the observation, look around, everything. Look around. Don't touch yellow line. Go smoothly here. Look around. Check all the driveways. Sometimes in these streets they ask you like a 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill and downhill parking. Be ready to do that also here. Just look around. If they ask like a back parking, they mostly ask in a park like once they go back. In the test center they ask there only. For that you watch my another videos also, how to do the back parking. We'll take a right from the first stop sign. We'll take a right here, and that's called 3rd Street. 3rd Street, complete stop. Look around. We are the first one here now. We will take a right. Yeah, and speed limit is 40 here. 3rd Street speed limit is 40. Look around, check all the driveway, follow the speed limit. 40 meaning is 39, 35 to 39. Don't exceed 41. See, it's written there. Maximum speed 40. What's the meaning of maximum? Maximum meaning is 39. Right? So don't exceed speed limit. Take a right from the stop sign. Let's stop here completely. Yes, we'll take a right here. And then look at all the driveways, everything. And we will take a right here. We will take a right. Around, keep your car on the right side. Sometimes they're taking driving tests here, like for the truck, so be careful about that one too. Look around, check all the driveways, check all the pedestrian cars. Look around here. Somebody's doing parking there, be careful. Yeah, and then we'll park on the right side, mirror signal blind spot, and park on the right side here. Park here, and then the examiner is going to tell you park your car. Congratulations, you meet Ministry standard today. Congratulations, you passed your test. Go get your license from inside. I hope you like my video. If you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. And if you want to learn driving with us, you can call us anytime at the AIAC Driving School, 416-275-3965.
Watching Chawla's video to prepare for your G or G2 driving test? Why not prepare with Chawla himself? Adarsh Chawla, MTO certified driving instructor with over 20 years of experience. Call now 416-275-3965.